It's a nasty wet night, but it's not so nasty in here. Tonight we get stuck into mating the Group C kit onto the beaten up body of Blair's RX7. We also get the car looked over by a local motorsport scrutineer. So the Group C kit's arrived. Transforms the car something crazy. Yeah, those wheels aren't going to cut it anymore. Obviously these have just been mocked up with tape. Still got the original guards underneath which will need to be taken off. It gives you a pretty good idea of how it's going to look. Pretty sweet. Yo yo! Those wheels aren't going to cut it anymore.
You know.
They're probably going to need to go up a size almost too.
Are you like 15s on these, eh?
What are these? 13s? Or 14s?
Yeah, so.
Should say on the tyre, shouldn't it? 13, yeah. It's down the bottom there.
Yeah, so.
15s would look big on this, which would be good with those wheels. The guards. So I've in the modified brake.
He broke it.
Ooh.
He had no clutch. So he decided to race without a clutch, which was okay. But then when he come in, he decided.
These seats are okay actually.
They're not bad, eh?
We'll see if Leon gives them the okay.
They come with L brackets or not? No. It's so awkward getting in. Shoulders are way too big for this seat. They're like hanging out over, like over it.
What? These are absolutely horrible, these things.
You can see that they've been put on and off a few times.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, that's a bit rough.
Like Swiss cheese. Yeah, it's pretty nasty right there.
The gold flare sits higher than the steel body.
Yeah, I know.
It's like, what the?
Oh, this one looks a bit better.
Definitely flare.
Yeah.
And that's only gone on once and stayed on. Unlike the front where there's like 6 holes per.
Oh really?
I reckon you just cut it to there.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah, cut it up
Because
real high.
then you don't even need to weld it. Because the inner guard's above there.
Yeah, but you still want, like with it not welded, you lose the strength of it.
Yeah, true.
Of all the things being joined together properly. Oh bullshit.
It's only Blair. He's not going to drive it hard, so it won't matter.
I won't tell him.
He actually won't even drive it.
Oh my. Yeah, it's
This is cut from right here. We can fix that little dink and shit. It's had a hard life, eh?
race car.
Hide it.
I'm sure they'll just cut it with fucking tin snips, eh?
That's what it looks like.
That's what's holding that guard out, eh?
Stones and dirt.
All the shit in there.
Oh, there must be no cap in the panel.
No, there's not.
Yeah, that'd be tyre rubber and all sorts.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
Look how fried that tyre is. Did you see that coming?
I did just see that come in.
What was it?
Fucking NSX. Car you don't see every day?
No, quite a cool car, right?
Yeah. Alright. Lucky.
What's up, man?
Yo.
Hey, oh, some Recaros. Damn.
Don't forget the Auto Sports. Your new seats.
Oh, those all. I was really interested in the Recaros, yes. Oh, hey, what are you doing to my car? Chopping all the shit. Just chopping it up. Yeah.
Give up.
Battery.
I need to charge a battery.
It's a polite way of saying it's fucking flat. How to make an RX7 look like a modified.
Just so like the second
20s on there now.
20s. Is it like 15 by 8? Is the
No, it's nowhere near enough.
And
You got here too late.
It may make them a bit heavy, but it's a good plan until you can find some genuine low offset old school 15s from Yahoo auctions in Japan or
We're gonna go
something.
Steely Dan's.
it's a massive air there, isn't it?
You're not bad for a kit. Like it's made for a race car, not a street car.
No. Well, I guess it's a Group C kit, right? So that's what they used at Bathurst.
True that.
So is that meant to hook onto here?
So I reckon it needs this one.
Cutting shit up ain't so hard. It's the lining up of a nice straight piece of fiberglass against a shitty body that's the problem.
I reckon if I cut that,
And then it will follow that line, eh?
and then it might lift it up a little bit.
Much better.
This front is taking way too long.
This front is taking way too long.
It's because this front decided that it likes the back of other cars way too much.
That's a lot of bog or something in there.
Yeah, it's had a bit of a crash.
So given these were fixed already, guys have decided to weld this into a one-piece front. Fancy.
This might not work.
Oh, it stinks.
Right up there. Painting the bog. See, look at it, it's just fucking melting away the ends.
FIA, like that's the minimum level of requirement to meet their regulations, right? And then you're going to get safer and safer, right? Would that be how?
So you've got the FIA standard, and then you've got your standards including head restraints and stuff like that. But if you've got an FIA standard, then you know it's a seat that's been built and crash tested.
Here we go.
Okay, good advice already.
Good advice already. Yeah.
Yep.
So what's just race tech or something? Just
Race tech's good.
Yeah.
Momo's good. Sparko's good.
They stand by that seat, the FIA, indirectly.
No, they just say they've tested them.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So they're not accountable for any.
No.
Yeah.
No. It's kind of like the government standing behind warrant checks.
Yeah. That's not a smart idea.
You got a bit of paper or something to write, because we'll start a list.
Oh, okay. Yep. Well,
Because I know
office.
if your memory is like my memory, then
Yeah. Mine's
Oh, his is unnaturally good.
I'm like goldfish, man.
Yeah, so when did they introduce the sticker? Because
At 4,000. No, 4,400. But it's not mandatory to have a sticker anyway. It was just because people were so lazy about punching numbers into their cage and stuff like that. So, starting at the top, extinguisher. Straight in the bin, because it's got to be a double metal over centre bracket.
Okay.
So just make sure that all the fastenings are high tensile.
Okay.
One thing is super common,
Yes.
and this car suffers from,
Yes.
is the cage ain't the same as the drawing.
So worst case, it just comes out, right? That low bar.
I don't see any circumstance that would come out unless it's exhaust tube.
Okay. Which would make no sense putting in the first place, right? Oh, there's a
Yeah,
nice,
a lot of things don't make
nice
sense.
photo
though.
of it. Did you use that photo? It's not falling apart there.
Yeah.
It's got different numbers.
the gold arches actually looked alright.
Yeah, with the gold bumper and everything.
Different wheels.
That harness is kaput, because if it's a lever latch harness, they're only ever a 2-year standard anyway.
Right.
This is like made 10 years ago.
And this hasn't raced since 2008.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Go through the bright light and
Look for sperm.
stick the bright light.
That's a blue.
That wrong video, Corey. We're doing the car channel tonight, mate.
Right, sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
So stick a bright light in the cabin, and then go and look in the engine bay and look for holes shining through.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Ditto, stick a bright light under the car
Yes.
and look for holes, because you want to be in an exhaust-proof compartment.
Yeah. Gotcha. So a bung's acceptable, but it needs to be in, obviously. Yeah.
Yep, just needs to be. Just needs to
Yeah,
stop you
so-
from being gassed. Is the car having exhaust on it now?
Yeah.
Where's the
Yeah.
finish?
Just
Right at the back?
Yeah, it's got a light.
Excellent. The reason I ask is that quite a few years ago, everyone liked dumping their exhaust at the diff,
All right.
and about 6 years ago or 7 years ago, it was you have to have your exhaust running to the back or to the side.
Right, okay. But not out there.
Not dumping under the car. Each lat and shoulder strap must have individual anchorage points.
Okay, so
Yep.
that's using a shared anchorage.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so
So-
What about if it's got a harness?
So that's the difference. This is anchorages to the floor, anchorages to harnesses. They've got a different set of words.
Getting technical.
I'm just thinking of what my one's going to say.
The padding's kind of they got tough on it and they backed off on it. So at the moment, the only requirement is padding in the helmet strike area.
Yeah.
And obviously both sides, if you've got seats on both sides.
So can it be soft stuff or does it have to be the hard stuff?
No,
Both,
it can be the
either or.
stuff, can be the offset.
I've got both in
Can't
mine.
be
Because I have to keep changing that every time I go to,
Can't be pool noodle.
because we're doing rubbish. We're doing rubbish events.
Or else in motorsport you can have soft or hard. The only limitation is if you've got hard stuff, it's only in helmet strike
Yeah,
area.
that's what I'm doing.
So you don't have hard stuff down here. Because, ouch.
Yeah.
Whereas this stuff works pretty badly with crash helmets. And a big impact, it is just going to compress that and smack your helmet big time. Whereas the hard stuff is going to work well with your helmet, so it's a lot safer for you.
Yeah.
Mostly what you're looking for in here is
Just
fluid leak somewhere important,
Right.
or holes in the firewall. Extra baffles coming in bonnets.
Oh, yeah,
okay.
I didn't need that already.
Because if you've got baffles and bonnets,
Rigidity.
they've either got to be forward facing
Yeah.
or they've got to be baffled or foamed,
Okay.
so that if you blow a radiator hose, it doesn't just pump water straight out the hole in the bonnet onto your windscreen.
So our to-do list was growing as fast as our shares in Pizza Hut. But at least we found out now, and not the night before an event. Leon gave Jason's Skyline a quick look over, then took off. Cheers, Leon.
But it kind of looks like it tilts down a lot more. But I don't know, it's hard to tell.
Start jumping on it, Blair.
But it's fucking weird, like, I'll hold this.
So what's the plan, gentlemen? Just gonna...
We're just
Heck away, really.
basically screwing it on. I think we're going to have to make the car fit. Because it's obviously had some fucking decent smashes. So.
Push those on a bit.
Don't do this at home, kids.
So that's not actually looking bad. It's still in a mile. It's almost as if that guard needs to go back. It can't.
Let's have a look at it. So what's the verdict, Blair?
It's flushed like a dunny.
Moffat will be proud.
Considering how not straight it was. That's good.
It's a race car, mate. It's good.
Let's rename the channel to How to Fit Widebody on Rotary.
Rocket Bunny V2.
This was around before Rocket and Bunny were a thing.
Yep. 80s, mate.
That's our tucks in.
The funniest thing though,
Yeah.
never doing another Rocket Bunny kit in my life. Oh, look at that. Pretty much doing a Rocket Bunny kit for Blair.
Fuck.
Show me that line that you're working off, so if you just rub the line on
Solid plan.
That's the best call I've had all day. Don't worry about the line. It's only the line you're working off. You rub it out, no one will know.
The line could have shifted.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah, the line could have moved
Hang
itself.
on, did Blair draw the line?
No.
Oh, okay.
There goes that option.
This is the line in question. See if
Fuck the line, eh?
it looks straight from
line's
here. Look at that.
fucking-
Oh, it's beautiful. Straight. Not straight.
It's because the car's fucking
Smash,
not
bro.
straight.
Fucking bananas.
Smashed him, bro.
Sounds so easy. Casually.
He's a big boy.
You are. I don't want to hold that.
Just hold it.
Is it going to hit me?
Only if he slips. Only if he slips.
Only one.
You've got to actually make it so I can actually cut it.
I'm trying to put it away from myself.
Like that.
Yeah, it's good. Which way you cut it?
Hold it.
on the ground.
Yes.
Oh, Blair!
You fucked it!
With most of the smash and bash work done, we called it a night. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we prep for paint.
If in doubt, give it a bash.